So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about illustrating quadratic inequality. A quadratic equation in a standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. So pag nag-equal to 0 yan, so it means this is not quadratic equation. So this is linear equation. How about the quadratic inequality? Quadratic inequality contains a polynomial of degree of 2 and can be written in the forms. So, where a, b, and c are real numbers, but then, the use of the inequality symbol such as less than, so yung pa L, greater than, less than or equal, less than or equal, and then this one, greater than or equal. Again, greater than or equal. Let us identify in example number 1 if this is a quadratic inequality or not quadratic inequality. First, we need to identify the highest degree. So, the highest degree is 2. Afterwards, let us see kung may symbol ba siya na greater than, less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal. So, this time, we have the symbol for greater than. So, it means this example is a quadratic inequality. Let us proceed to example number 2. 3x squared plus 10x equals 0. So, the highest degree is 2. But then, let us see kung may symbol ba siya ng greater than or equal, or greater than or equal. As you can see, the only symbol is equal. So, it means this example is not quadratic inequality. How about example number 3? X squared plus 2x less than or equal to 9. So first, we need to identify the highest degree. So the highest degree is 2. Afterwards, let us identify the symbol. So the symbol, it is not only equal but less than or equal. So this means that the example is a quadratic inequality. How about example number 4? X squared minus 1 greater than or equal to x plus 1. First, the highest degree, hanapin natin. So, nag-iisa lang naman yun. So, that is x squared. Afterwards, the symbol. So, the symbol is greater than or equal. So, it means this example is a quadratic inequality. How about example number 5? The quantity x minus 5 times the quantity 5x plus 7 less than 7. So how to identify if this is quadratic inequality or not quadratic inequality? First, we need to solve this one. So by means of FOIL method. First, x times 5x is 5x squared. X times 7 is positive 7x. And then negative 5 times 5x, that is negative 25x. Negative 5 times 7, that is negative 35. And then copy less than 7. So, the highest degree is 2. And then the symbol, that is less than. So, it means this example is a quadratic inequality. Instruction: determine whether the mathematical sentence is a quadratic inequality or not quadratic inequality. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.